From the horrors of misery, irresponsibility, genocide and dictatorship to the greatest heights of success, Rwanda is the newest and strongest story of recovery, success and prosperity on the African continent. Popularly known as the Land of 1,000 Hills and situated at the heart of the Great Lakes region, Rwanda enjoys a beautiful and palatable climatic endowment as well as soils with natural and virgin fertility. With its robust agricultural potential, Rwanda is a potential food basket for East and Central Africa and the producer of some of the best coffee and tea in Africa. Rwanda is home to Rwandair, a powerful air link to Central, West, East and Southern Africa as well as Central Asia and the Middle East. Rwanda stands high as one of the fastest growing economies in Africa. The nation is a home of a wide variety of natural resources. For the true lovers of nature, Rwanda is blessed with thousands of bird species, a wide variety of primates including the giant and invincible mountain gorillas, 1,000 hills, beautiful terrains and water bodies, 1 million species of flora, beautiful and nice people, a great history, as well as rich and diverse cultures. Above all, Rwanda is the cleanest nation in Africa and one of the most peaceful and secure nations in the whole world. Rwanda is the true land of the sun and a home away from home for everyone. If you haven't been to Rwanda, then you have not seen the heart of Africa. What are you waiting for? Visit Rwanda now. Invest in Rwanda today. Prosper in Rwanda.